I am Eva Marino and I'm a volunteer at the Public Relations Office. We're going to talk about how to face summer's hot climate. So, when it's very hot, high ozone concentrations can be found in the air. This is an oxidizing substance and can irritate respiratory tract and mucosa, causing eye and throat irritation and even a sense of oppression in the thorax with painful cough and quick superficial breathing. If you have these symptoms, go into closed-in and cool places. Avoid tiring and long activities during the days in which high ozone concentrations are predicted. Remember to eat lots of fruit and vegetables, since they are rich in water and have antioxidant properties. You can check weather forecasts on the website www.osmer.fvg.it and the quality of the air on www.arpa.fvg.it. So here we have some tips on how to face summer's heat. First of all, drink frequently, even if you're not thirsty, and at least 1.5 liters per day, avoiding sweetened and alcoholic drinks. Be always lightly clad with comfortable clothes made of natural fibers, for example cotton. Take light meals, eat fruit, vegetables and cool food in general. And avoid using the oven and other heat-producing household appliances, for example the air dryer or the iron. Then go out of your home only in cool periods of the day. When you take a shower, use tepid water so that you avoid sudden changes of temperature. Cool your house in the evening or in the early morning so that you allow the change of air. Don't ever leave people or animals in cars if parked under the sun, not even for short periods of time. Heat can cause some disorders that might show up in different ways and with different intensity and seriousness. If you feel weak or tired, if you have headache, if you feel nausea, vomit, or dizziness, if you have mental confusion with possible loss of consciousness, if your body temperature increases or your pressure decreases, first of all ask for help and then get wet with cool water and lie down in a cool and airy spot with your legs placed higher than the body. Drink water, take in small sips. And in order to decrease body temperature, place an ice pack on the head and wrap the person in a sheet or towel made wet with cool water. If you can't solve the problem, call your doctor. If there's an emergency, call 118. Always remember that children, the elderly, and people who suffer from respiratory and cardiac pathologies have more difficulties in adapting themselves to heat. So look after them more carefully. And call the people who need it to check how they feel. You can activate a system of phone alert addressed to elderly or weak people so that an operator can contact you in particularly hot days. Inquire about this calling 0434 223522 and pressing the button 3. If you need some advice or information, call this number, that is the Social Health Call Center, 0434 223522 and press 3. Its timetable is from Monday to Friday, from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. On Saturday, Sunday and public holidays from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. It will provide you piece of information on heat waves and answer your calls from the 15th of June to the 15th of September.